Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Adam here, and welcome back to another video where today we begin a 3-part video series. As you may remember, back in October, Apple had the iPhone event, and now we have finally got our hands on the iPhone Pro Max, the case, and the MagSafe charger. Today, we're going to be starting things off pretty simple and going to be unboxing the case for the iPhone 12 Pro Max, which, of course, has MagSafe. So, let's jump right in. So, right away we are presented with a nice box. Very small and very Apple-esque. Well, to no surprise, it's just a case. Nothing much, just a box, 4 corners. But you see, it has MagSafe. So, unlike any Apple case before this, it has MagSafe. So, that means it'll connect to the puck that you see on the lower portion of your screen. Now, taking this out of the box, we see a frosted clear plastic covering the case. And, well, I personally went for the navy blue color just because I thought it would match the graphite iPhone. With everything out of the box and the paperwork just to be right out of the way. Now, picking this case up, it's very light and also it feels very interesting. If you have a round iPhone, it feels very different than what you are used to. It feels better in the hand, and you also see that ring right there. It looks like Apple Park, honestly. So I thought that was really cool, but that is the MagSafe case. And now for everyone's favorite part of an unboxing, well, it's the sound the paper makes. So enjoy this little part. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that little ASMR. Now, looking at the case, well, it's very blue, which I like, and also the corners are squared, which I'm personally a fan of. You can see the speaker holes at the bottom, the most on any of the iPhones, coming in with 4 at the left side. They're also a little bit bigger. Got the side buttons and a more rounded cutout for the volume switcher. So I thought that was a little bit interesting. Also, the camera cutout. It's huge. Like, okay, here's my iPhone 11 box, right? It's the Pro. But look at the difference. It's probably, what, 20% bigger, I'd say? I'm not entirely sure, but the cutout is absolutely massive. Like, it's massive. I mean, you can see, if you were to take the cutout from the left side, it's about half the iPhone. Like, it's big. The sensors on this phone are big, but just wait till the third video. Now, a very cool addition to the MagSafe case is the cool animation that pops up when you put the case on the back of the iPhone. So, what we're going to do is you're going to put the case on the iPhone and you're going to see a cool animation. Bam. It even matches up to the color of the case. That's cool. But, of course, this wouldn't be a case video without testing out the new MagSafe feature. So, the little white puck that you see on the left is actually pretty light. Lighter than I thought it'd be. Matches up perfectly to the inside ring. And, well, goes on like that. To my surprise, it's actually on there pretty strong. I know there's a lot of videos out there talking about the Apple Wallet and how weak these magnets are. However, this MagSafe charger is a lot stronger, even with the iPhone in the case, which we'll get to in the full review. It's actually pretty strong. It carries the case like nothing. It's very strong. I thought it was actually going to be a lot weaker than it was, but these magnets are very strong, as I have said multiple times already. So, I'll let you guys hear the sound that the MagSafe puck makes when it attaches to the case. Very satisfying. And you know it's secure and it's not coming off. So, to wrap everything up, you have the case on the left, you have the box that the case goes on, and you have the box. Very simple unboxing, but also very intriguing, this one. Anyways, let's get to the wrap-up. Now, if you enjoyed that, very shortly we're going to be having the next 2 videos, or the unboxings. Well, the MagSafe video is going to be pretty special. I think you guys will like that one. But, other than that, thank you for stopping by. If you liked the video, make sure to hit the like button. If you really enjoyed it, then make sure to subscribe. And also, I have to throw this out there. If you want an ASMR video of that iPhone crackling stuff, just let me know and I'll do it. Because, you know, why not? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.